Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce myself and my colleagues. I'm Rena Amelia and my partner.
I'm Nabila Nafaidah.
I'm Vera Agustina Barokah.
I'm Nima Sayulisya Ningasih.
I'm Cynthia Fitri Wulandari.
I'm Salman Yoseli.
I'm Raihan Nabila.
Okay, here I will explain the meaning of diabetes mellitus. Definition. Diabetes mellitus and hypertension are closely related diseases that often appear together. Cardiovascular disease has a significant risk factor, one of which is diabetes mellitus, with cardiovascular mortality rate 2 to 3 times higher than non-diabetes mellitus. Next, causes. The most significant cause of morbidity and mortality in diabetic patients is cardiovascular disease, which is exacerbated by hypertension. Next, prevention. One way for diabetes mellitus patients to prevent the risk of complication is to implement self-care activity regularly. The next slide will be continued by my colleague Nabila Hana.
Thank you, Rena. The goal of the treatment is not only relative measures that can provide a good estimate of disease control, but the ultimate goal of diabetes care is to prevent the patient's quality of life from getting worse. The next slide will be continued by my colleague Vera.
Okay, thank you, Nabila. Furthermore, in research on the relationship of self-care activities with the blood pressure of diabetes mellitus type 2 patients, research used a correlational analytical design with a cross-sectional approach. According to Lapal, 2013, the technical used to analyze the relationship between independent and dependent variables, while cross-sectional is investigate the relationship between two related or unrelated parameters. The steps taken are conducting surveys, observation, and collecting data directly at one time. Okay, the next slide will be continued by my colleague Salma.
Okay, thank you, Vera. The next text is research results. The results show that as many as 51.4% of diabetes patients have a good self-care activity status, totaling 18 respondents. As many as 51.4% of respondents have normal blood pressure status. Next slide. The number of samples was as many as 35 people with the purposive sampling technique. The research instrument used a questionnaire, the Summary of Diabetes Self-Care Activity Measure, or SDACA. The collected data was analyzed using the T-square test. The Summary of Diabetes Self-Care Activity, or SDACA, is a self-report questionnaire used to measure the frequency of respondent self-care activity within 7 consecutive days. Okay, the next slide will be continued by my colleague Raihana Bila.
Thank you, Salma. The next slide, statistical result. The conclusion of the statistical result of this research was p-value 0.28 and or 6.250. The next slide will be continued by my colleague Cynthia Fitri.
The next statistical result. The conclusion of the statistical result of this research was p-value 0.28 and R 6.250. Proven by the statistical result, there is a relationship between self-care activities and blood pressure. This means that respondents with a low level of self-care are more likely to experience high blood pressure compared to respondents with a high level of self-care. The next slide will be continued, Nimas.
Thank you, Cynthia. Okay, I will give a conclusion about diabetes mellitus and hypertension. Diabetes mellitus and hypertension are diseases that often occur together. To improve patient health and reduce the risk of diabetes mellitus complication, one way is to carry out routine self-care. The research design used correlation analysis with a cross-sectional approach. The research population was a member of the Prolanis Club BPJS Health Palangkaraya. The research instrument used a questionnaire. The next slide. Who had normal blood pressure, namely 51.4. Statistic, the research result obtained a value of P 0.028, P less than 0.05, and R 6.240. This means that there is a relationship between self-care activities and blood pressure in people with type 2 diabetes mellitus is getting higher, and recommendation for further research are by identification factor inhibiting self-care activities in type 2 diabetes mellitus patient. Then I return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for listening to our group's presentation. I hope everything we share is useful for all of you, and if there is something wrong, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky and all that I can see.